How to make money graphic design. Making money with graphic design online involves leveraging your skills across multiple platforms and exploring various income streams. Here's a concise guide on how to get started. 1. Freelancing platforms. Join freelancing websites like Upwork, Fiverr, and Freelancer. Create a compelling profile showcasing your portfolio. Bid on projects, offering competitive rates initially to build your reputation. Over time, as you gather positive reviews, you can increase your rates. 2. Selling digital products. Design and sell digital products such as templates, fonts, and graphics. Platforms like Etsy, Creative Market, and Gumroad are excellent for reaching a broad audience. This passive income stream allows you to earn continuously from a one-time effort. 3. Print on demand. Create designs for merchandise such as t-shirts, mugs, and phone cases. Use platforms like Redbubble, Teespring, and Printful to handle the printing, shipping, and customer service. You earn a commission on each sale without worrying about inventory. 4. Stock graphics. Submit your work to stock graphic websites like Shutterstock, Adobe Stock, and iStock. Each time someone licenses your design, you earn a royalty. Consistently uploading high-quality graphics increases your chances of making regular sales. 5. Online courses and tutorials. Share your expertise by creating and selling online courses on platforms like Udemy, Skillshare, or through your own website. Alternatively, start a YouTube channel to provide free tutorials and monetize through ads and sponsorships. 6. Social media and networking. Use social media platforms like Instagram, Behance, and Dribbble to showcase your work. Engaging with the design community can lead to job offers and collaborations. Regularly update your portfolio and network with potential clients. 7. Freelance websites and job boards. Regularly check job boards such as DesignCrowd, 99 Designs, and remote job boards like We Work Remotely. Apply for projects and remote positions that match your skill set. By diversifying your income streams and consistently delivering high-quality work, you can establish a successful online graphic design business.